Bubble sort is one of the simplest sorting algorithms. It works by repeatedly stepping through a list, comparing adjacent items, and swapping them if they're in the wrong order. The name comes from how larger elements bubble up to the end. Here's our unsorted array 5, 3, 8, and 1. Let's watch bubble sort in action. Pass 1. First, we compare 5 and 3. Since 5 is greater than 3, they swap. Now, compare 5 and 8. No swap because 5 is smaller. Now, compare 8 and 1. 8 is larger, so they swap. After the first pass, the largest number 8 has bubbled to the end. We mark it in green. Pass 2, compare 3 and 5. No swap. Compare 5 and 1. They swap. Now 5 is in its correct spot. Pass 3. Compare 3 and 1. Swap. The array is now fully sorted. 1, 3, 5, 8. Bubble sort has a time complexity of O of n square in the worst case scenario, which means it's slow for large lists, but it is simple to understand and which makes it great starting point for learning sorting algorithms.